All right, he can be excused. Thank you.
Don't insult me.
All right, can we set this for a jury trial?
You're ganging up
What
on
day?
I'm going, don't insult me, sir. So if I do not understand the case, I would not respond. You understand that?
So let me just tell you, today is Monday. If anybody thought today was not Monday, let me just tell you, today is Monday. Yes.
And I just started.
Mr. Moore.
Yeah.
Yes. Let's not shout at people. Let's not raise our voices. Here's the thing. If an attorney is telling you what the state is offering, all you have to do, if you don't want to accept the offer, just say you don't want to accept it, say you want a jury trial, and you'll get a jury trial. But your attorney can't make the state offer you something.
Let's pause for a second because the judge just explained a key part of the criminal justice system: plea negotiations. Prosecutors make offers, defense attorneys relay them, and the defendant decides whether to accept. But here's the catch: no one can force the state to offer a better deal. If the defendant rejects the offer, the only path forward is a jury trial, where 12 strangers will decide the outcome.
Thing that you want them to offer you.
It's not what, no. So it's not what they offer, it's what you're lying on and trying to give me. And I know what I did. It was an argument.
Okay, so here's
It was an argument.
That means you need a jury trial. That's what you're saying. You want a jury trial.
It was an argument between me and my relatives.
All right, let me ask you, who's the prosecutor on this case?
On extra names onto the case. He added extra names on the, wait a minute, you're talking?
Now things are starting to spiral. The judge is trying to maintain order, but the defendant keeps interrupting and arguing directly with the court. That's a huge red flag in any courtroom. Judges expect respect and structure, and when that structure starts breaking down, it often signals that something deeper might be going on.
To me. You're talking to me.
Are you the prosecutor on the case?
You're talking to me. You said John, you just said John Moore,
Are you planning on dismissing these charges? All right, so it sounds like they're going to want a jury trial. Are you planning on offering something different than you've already offered? All right, so is your client going to accept anything or no?
He has just informed me, we talked last night, but he informed me this morning because of some of the particulars, he's not going to accept the agreement.
All right, so nothing will, it sounds as though you all are at an impasse. The state, you're saying that you're not going to offer anything differently. And defense, I'm assuming there's no counter offer, right?
No, at this I did. I made a counter offer to the state and they rejected it.
All right, so do you have all of the discovery?
I do have all of the discovery. If I could, the one thing with moving forward, and it started last night with these outbursts, I'm starting to have potentially some competency issues. I want to stop and pause before I make that decision, but I think I'll need to file.
And there it is, the moment that changes everything. The defense attorney just raised a competency concern. In criminal law, this is a serious issue. Before someone can stand trial, the court has to determine whether they actually understand the proceedings and can assist their attorney in their defense. If they can't, the trial can't move forward. So this case just shifted from a routine plea dispute to a potential mental competency evaluation.
A suggestion or motion that he needs to be evaluated for, I really can't communicate with him right now, Judge. And that's part of what I have to do to make sure he's competent.
All right, so is the communication issue, and I don't want to interfere with attorney-client privilege, but is the communication more of he's not accepting your advice, or you don't believe he understands?
Sometimes I don't believe he truly
I didn't
understands.
understand, I would not respond.
Okay.
For one, don't insult me. If
All
I
right.
did not understand.
You can hear the frustration immediately. The defendant feels insulted by the suggestion that he might not understand the case. But here's the irony. This kind of reaction is exactly what sometimes triggers competency concerns in the first place. Courts aren't trying to insult defendants, they're trying to make sure the process is fair and legally valid.
All right, he can
Don't
be
insult me,
excused.
though.
Thank you.
Don't insult me.
All right, can we set this for a jury trial?
You're ganging up on
What day?
I'm going, don't insult me, sir. So if I do not understand the case, I would not respond. You understand that?
Yeah.
Today is
So let me just tell you, today is Monday. If anybody thought today was not Monday, let me just tell you, today is Monday. Yes.
And I just started seeing this last night.
Okay.
And I understand. I don't know when the court's going to reset me. I would have to file a motion at this stage on the competency issue, Your Honor.
I would have no objection to that because I've had those concerns myself since I reviewed this case.
All right.
Well, and it's, for me, I hadn't seen it yet, but I saw it last night for the first time.
Yes.
Yeah.
So instead of setting a trial date today, the court is hitting the pause button. A competency evaluation could determine whether this defendant is legally able to continue through the justice system, or whether treatment or further review is needed first. It's a reminder that in criminal court, the biggest turning points often come from the moments no one planned for.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, they're going to file a motion to have him evaluated for competency. And I will say this is the first time I've seen him be this way since he's come to court. So,
Same with me.
all right. So, what we'll do, Norma, if you can set this for the second week in December, and that's to make sure that everything has been filed.
I can do December 11th.
I will follow it this afternoon, and the second week of December is perfect for me. I live to snow ski, and I'm going to open it this year, the first week of December.
Okay.
So thank you, Your Honor, for that.
You're welcome.